Zakaria.
Yeah.
Follow me.
Already followed you. Please give me 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Yeah, really.
I finished my study.
Study finished. Completed higher education. Only English, but also mathematics.
Wow.
What is your future plan of life?
My favorite hobby. I like my favorite game.
Recently, have you visited any country all over the world? Whom do you love in the world most? Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Where are you from?
Walaikum salam.
Where are you from? Are you from Bangladesh? Yeah?
Tunisia.
Tunisia. Oh wow, nice. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm too Muslim. Are you Muslim?
Nice to meet you.
Are you Muslim? Yeah. Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Yeah. Already I have followed you.
Nice,
Already followed you.
nice to meet you.
Okay, just basically, can you speak English? A little bit. English speaking? Little.
Yes. Yes, I can speak English.
You can
Yes.
you can speak English fluent. Fluent? Really?
Yes, I can. I can speak English. Yeah.
Okay. Are you a student or are you a student school, college or university? University student?
I finished my school. I finished my study.
Study finished. Completed higher education. Already finished higher education.
Yes.
Okay. Also me, I have completed master's degree, and basically I am trying to search my news of. Actually, what is your future plan of life? Recently, after you have completed your higher education, future plan of life. What is your future plan of life? Aim in life.
Yes, I understand you. I want to be an independent woman, and I want to travel many countries. And I want to. I'm a nurse now.
Okay, just actually, are you searching? Are you searching for good job? Good job searching with the different places, different sector of your country. Searching good job. Looking for?
What?
Are you looking for good job? Looking for good job.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Actually, do you take 5 times prayer every single day? Really?
I don't have.
Oh, okay. What is your favorite hobby? Your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby. I like sing.
Do you like singing? Like singing?
Sing. Yes.
Oh.
Yes,
Also,
I like singing. I like painting.
okay. My favorite hobby, talking to each other and reading books, watching movie, and playing different kinds of playing such as football, cricket. Actually, I like most football. Football is my favorite game. What is your favorite game? Favorite game?
My favorite game. Not my. I don't have a favorite game. I like to practice sport.
Oh, okay. Are you ambitious person? Do you have ambition to reach your destination in future? Ambition?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, baby, because I need sleep. I want sleep now.
Please give me 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Yeah, really. Only 5 minutes. Just we are talking to each other. Okay. Actually, recently, have you visited any country all over the world? All over the world, have you visited?
Korea.
Already Korea. South Korea. Recently visited. Wow, nice, nice, nice.
I want this.
What is the name of your capital city, Tunisia? What is the name of your capital city?
Yes, this is my city. Yes, this is my country.
Capital city name. Capital
Amazing.
city. What is the capital city?
Mahdia.
Mehdia. Actually, you are very expert in football. You play football, World Cup football. Most Tunisia football World Cup. Yeah, really. Okay.
Yes.
Just this is our country, Bangladesh. This is our country, beautiful country, Bangladesh. Next to India, close to India. Next to India, close to India. Yeah, really.
And what's the food? The important food.
Just
Zaim, salam, zaim.
okay. Whom do you love in the world most? Whom do you love world most in the world?
What?
Whom do you love or respect all over the world? Who is this person? Have you understood?
Me? The world?
Yeah,
Person in the world?
yeah, world.
Artist? Artist or no?
Okay. Just actually, I love my parents most all over the world. Parents, all over the world. Actually, I respect, I obey all the time. Eventually, do you practice English every single day? Practice English with somebody or someone every single day? English?
Yes, I want to practice English with the peoples.
Okay. In which grammar are you serious?
Okay, follow
Okay, please listen.
Zakaria.
Yeah,
Follow me.
already followed you.
After I sleep, now I want to sleep.
Please give me only,
Okay,
please.
after I
Please,
because
only
my
5
internet
minutes.
not good.
Only 5 minutes, please.
Only
just-
5 minutes.
I have come here actually.
Because I want sleeping.
Okay,
Because
please.
I want sleeping. After.
I wanna accompany with you only 5 minutes, please.
I wanna
Only
accompany
5
with
minutes. Actually, I have come here in this Bigo.
Okay.
I have come here in this Bigo for practice English.
in this video
For practice English with different people all over the world. Really, I'm private teacher. I'm private teacher. Teacher.
Wow.
Really,
You teach a private teacher?
I teach not only English but also mathematics.
Wow.
I have 20 years experience. Actually, this globe is used. This globe is used for tracking someone locations.
20 years?
Yeah, really.
20 years? 20 years you
20 years
are a
experience.
good teacher.
20 years
I-
experience for teaching my students in our country, Bangladesh.
Wow. Wow, I like this.
In which subject?
You're a good teacher.
In which subject have you finished your higher education? In which subject?
I'm good or no in English?
No. Okay, I have understood. But I am asking you, in which subject have you completed your higher education? Finished your higher education? Which subject? What is the name of your subject? Subject.
What mean?
Just
What mean?
your
I
university.
don't understand this question.
University. In your university, in which subject did you study? In which subject? I have finished social work. My major subject, social work. And your subject? English.
I don't understand this.
English?
What means subject?
English, mathematics, university life. In your university life, in your university life.
I don't study in university. I just study in private school.
Only private school. Really?
Private school.
Oh.
Yes. After I finish the public. After I don't study in public. I study in private school.
Oh.
Pika, salam pika.
In which
Understand that?
in which group? Science, arts, or commerce? In which group? Yours group? Science, arts, or commerce?
It's private.
Private school.
It's international school.
Actually, your mother tongue. What is the name of your mother tongue? Arabic.
What is the name?
Arabic language do you speak?
Arabic.
My mother. My mother.
Yeah. Arabic language do you speak?
Yeah. Arabic is
Arabic.
Arabic language. Do you speak?
I can't tell my name mother in this application.
No. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, Bika.
Okay. But I am.
Okay, now, sorry. Zakaria, sorry, I won't sleeping now. After, you can speak with me.
Okay. Please follow me. We will talk with each other next.
We will talk.
Okay. Just I will send you.
Okay?
I will send you a WhatsApp number. Please check your WhatsApp number. I will send you after finishing. Okay.